Imported. Tungsten carbide, just 3 or 4 strokes will restore your blade. Ceramic sharpening rods, tungsten carbide polish to a finished edge in 3 or 4 strokes. Serrated knife sharpener designed to get inside even the smallest serrations. Diamond tapered rod for fast reconditioning and maintenance. Sharpening angles are preset at 22.5 to achieve a 45 inclusive angle. Tungsten carbide 3 or 4 strokes will restore your blade. Ceramic sharpening Rods-Polist to a finished edge in 3 or 4 strokes. Serrated knife sharpener designed to get inside even the smallest serrations. Top reviews from the United States. 5 stars because I really can't find anything wrong with it. First of all, I am not an expert on sharpening knives and my plan for this tool is to complement my hiking backpack gear. That being said, the purpose of this review is to describe how satisfied I am with the product and perhaps help you decide if this is the tool for you as well. I gave it 5 stars because I really can't find anything wrong with it or have anything negative to say. There are no plastic parts on this tool and so the weight of it is comparable to that of a pocket knife of similar size. The case seemed to be made of the same materials as a die-cast toy. The surface has some texture to it which helps to have a better grip. The diamond tapered file is held in either open or close position by strong 1/4 inch square magnets. This was a cool surprise for me as I see it as an additional tool out there in the wild. It measures 4 inches long by 1¼ inches wide by 1/2 inch high with rounded corners which makes it very nice to hold and/or carry in my pocket. In my opinion, there was a lot of thought in the design of this tool and seemed to be built to last a very long time, however I will let time be the judge of that. I would most definitely recommend this tool and I for sure will buy another one for a family member.